Welcome to another episode. So a little while ago, I did a video on this KiCA Jet Fan II, which I said is one of the most versatile air blowers you can possibly get. You can use it as a bug repellent, you can use it as an air conditioner, you can clean out your patio, get rid of all the dust, debris, dirt, anything. Well, to my surprise, KiCA has actually kicked this up another notch. This originally was provided to me by KiCA to do the review and showcasing of the product. This time I spent my money to purchase an attachment that transmorphs this into a full-fledged vacuum cleaner. Yes, that is correct. This thing, complete with filter, as you can see here, complete filter, which is removable, and it's very tightly sealed, so you don't have to worry about debris getting into the jet fan. There you go. And filter is cleanable, and you can actually use the jet fan to blow out the filter, which is pretty sick. It's got its catch bin and everything, and as I said, it's completely and utterly sealed. Slips in there, locks in place, like with friction. There you go. And actually, let me show you this. On the inside here is the flap way down there. So it actually stays locked once you catch everything and you remove it from the jet fan, so you can empty it out, right? So yeah, this basically turns this thing into a very powerful micro-sized vacuum cleaner. Absolutely amazing. I've been using this for a little bit. Let me just make sure. As I said, it is a very tight fit, so let's just mount it together. And it also comes with these other attachments. So you've got the brush end and you've got the wand. So this pulls out like so, and these two separate as well. So you can use just this piece here. I usually like to keep the brush on just because it allows you to scrape things. I would not use this on a camera though, only because of the fact these bristles are fairly stiff and you would scratch things like the sensor if you're one of those people who rather vacuum out the sensor than use a blower. However, for everything else, this is genius. One thing I will say, this is amazing for cleaning out your computer. If you have a desktop or laptop and you have dust on the keyboard, this will clean that up immediately. Same with detailing your vehicle. You can clean out your dashboard, clean out the cup holders, all those little nooks and crannies. And because this does double as a blower, you can easily just blow any of the stuff out of these sections here. This is now absolutely the most versatile blower system I've ever used. Now, the way it attaches is it attaches to the fan side. So let's pull this off here. So yeah, it attaches to the fan side because this is the impeller, which is sending air out on this side, right? So to suck the air in, you have to mount it directly to the fan side. Now, with that said, as I mentioned, this is completely and utterly sealed. So you don't have to worry about debris hitting the fan blades or anything like that. And yeah, it totally transforms this thing. Wow. Let's get to doing some de-dusting. Now, as you can see, this is very, very dusty at the top of my printer here. So let's clean it off. Yeah, I guess I should do here as well. Amazing. I know usually people are like, well, but how powerful is the suction for the vacuum? Like, how much can it really suck up? Well, it can hold, I mean, for this little tiny thing, keep in mind, this is not a full size vacuum. This is a very small turbine based vacuum, right? But it will suck and hold this thing. No problem. So it is powerful enough to do all the little tiny nooks and crannies and all the hard to reach areas that your regular vacuum wouldn't even be able to get to. And yeah, I had to show this. This is amazing. And it looks cool. I mean, come on, how cool does this look? Pew, pew, pew. It looks pretty cool. But that's it. So this is the KiCA Jet Fan II with the vacuum attachment. Best freaking thing ever. And that's it. I'm going to go. I'll catch you on the next video. I'm out.